have a soft spatula. I'm going to get this butter hot, but not black hot. I just want to get it hot and bubbling a little bit, but not black burnt hot, because I want the eggs to come out soft, not crispy. Yeah, I'm doing pretty good. I haven't broke the eggs yet into the yolks. There we go. All right. And then I do a little salt and pepper. You can see that the eggs are starting to cook a little bit now, but slowly. That's the way I want it, so that they're not going to be crispy. And now I separate those a little bit, so it'll be easier for me to flip them over, because I like to flip them over. So we're getting close to ready to flip them. I'd like to have most of the egg whites cooked. You can see this one right here is the first one I put in. You can see it's white, and this one here is not quite ready yet. So now I'm going to flip this one over. You get underneath it real well and flip it over quick. Let this one over for just probably 30 seconds tops, because we want the yellow to still be runny, but we want the white to be cooked. So let's see how this turns out. That's perfect. It's not crispy. Not crispy. And you still got some yellow in the egg, and the whites are all cooked. Now these two just about ready. This one here is definitely ready. So slide underneath there. The key is flipping it over and don't break the egg yolk. Now when I get down to this, since this is a stone pan, I can turn the heat off now. And just wait about 30 seconds, and then these should come out perfect. Yep, see, that's a little bit too well done. That one's perfect. Enjoy.